Hello everyone, how are you well? I hope everyone is fit and fine. First of all, congratulations to you for taking the first step in our learning journey. Starting something new is always a brave decision, and you have already proved that you are ready to grow. How our mindset works. Our mindset is very powerful. Whatever we think and believe, our actions slowly follow that. If you set our mindset with positively, discipline and confidence, it will guide us towards success. A strong mindset is the foundation of every achievement. The power of consistency. When we do something regularly, even in a small amounts, our brain accepts it as a habit. This habit then becomes a part of our lifestyle. Slowly, it helps us improve, makes us stronger, and takes us closer to our goals. Remember, small efforts every day building big results. Never stop believing in yourself. Every time you practice, you are moving one step closer to success. Keep going, keep learning, and keep growing. Once again, congratulations for starting this journey. Inshallah, one day you will look back and proudly say, yes, I did it. Learning English is one of the most important skills in today's world. Without English, it is difficult to grow in education, career, and communication. But the truth is, English is not as hard as many people think. If you start step by step from the besides, you can improve easily. I want to share something from my own life. For a long time, I neglected learning English. I thought it was not urgent and I wasted many opportunities. But later I realized its true value and decided to start. At first, it was very hard. I could not speak fluently and I made many mistakes. But when I started slowly, with small steps and regular practice, everything began to change. This is why I want to tell you, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. If you practice every day, even for a short time, you will see the results. English is a skill, not a subject, and skills are built with practice, not shortcut. So never give up. Inshallah, if you are consistent, one day you will become a confident and successful English speaker. Remember, every expert was on a beginner, and today is the best day to begin your journey. Learning English is not difficult if you start slowly and consistently. I also wasted a lot of time ignoring it, but when I finally started learning step by step, I improved. You can also start today. Inshallah, one day you will become successful and confident in speaking English. Believe in yourself and keep practicing. Congratulations once again. Today you have taken a new step for learning. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. Congratulations for beginning this wonderful journey.